look at the scene there and you look at pictures from when this crash happened, a foggy morning throughout Southern California. That's an area I grew up about 10 minutes from where this crash happened. It's an area with a lot of hills. We do not know what caused right now. The FAA is saying it was unknown causes, in quotes, in terms of what caused this crash to happen.
You know, as we work in the news business, I'm sure you're like me. We get up in the morning, we start checking social media to see what's going on in Southern California. And I saw a friend of mine this morning posting about a helicopter crash, so I knew it would be something to cover in the news.
Right.
You and I have the day off. It's Grammy Sunday, so probably you're going to go about your day and watch the Grammys tonight as well. And I get this call from Fox 11 that we think Kobe Bryant was on board this helicopter. Literally, I was absolutely just shaking. He is somebody that has touched our lives as a player, then as a businessman, then winning an Oscar.
Right.
And I think that for so many people, whether you're a Laker fan, basketball fan or not, you saw him in so many different ways. I emceed an event with him as a businessman just 2 years ago. He was at a home in Newport Beach. He lived so close, he actually walked to the location for the event. And it was a business conversation, not necessarily a basketball conversation, but I think Kobe is that type of person who applied all of his basketball training and his tools and dedication to the business world as well.
Well, and Christine, I'm interested in your insight as somebody who knows Kobe, the man, a little bit. So many of us know Kobe, the basketball player, or what was he like as a guy?
Look, I'm not going to pretend to have been a personal friend.
Right.
I'll say that I did a lot of segments of Wednesday's Child with him where you got to see him as a person giving his time to a child. So to me, that speaks volumes that somebody would, you know, be willing to partake in something like that and share just the power that he has in a child's eyes. His last year of his last game, that around that time, we did our last Wednesday's Child segment with him, and it was a wonderful chance to sit down with him as he was exiting the court in his days as a basketball player. I just feel like I feel devastated because I feel like I don't want to say I've lost a friend, but I lost a career colleague. Somebody we emceed a homeless event together. We emceed.
I think we have
a business event. I feel like he's somebody I lived my career with.
Right. You know, and I think I've often said, to me, the three most beloved figures in Southern California, the sort of Mount Rushmore of Southern California icons, are Vin Scully, Magic Johnson, and Kobe Bryant. People that transcend everything, universally known, universally liked, and have become such extraordinary figures in the lives of so many. And the fact that Kobe was so strong and young and doing so well in this post-basketball career, I think is what makes this so shocking. You know, to literally come out of nowhere. And it reminds all of us also about the fact that life